Wake up your inner power by choosing to believe in yourself today. You already have strength inside you. You just need to notice it. Your inner power grows when you stop doubting your worth. Every small effort matters. Confidence starts with one brave thought. Waking up your inner power means listening to your heart. Your feelings guide you toward growth. Trust them gently. Inner power is not loud or aggressive. It is calm and steady. It helps you stand strong in silence. When you wake up your inner power, fear becomes weaker. You understand that fear is temporary. Courage grows with action. Your inner power lives in your daily choices. Each choice shapes your future. Choose growth again and again. Wake up your inner power by accepting who you are. You do not need to change everything at once. Acceptance brings peace. Inner power grows when you forgive yourself. Past mistakes do not define you. Learning makes you stronger. When your inner power wakes up, motivation feels natural. You no longer wait for perfect moments. You move forward anyway. Your inner power helps you stay calm in pressure. You breathe and think clearly. Calmness gives control. Wake up your inner power by focusing on progress. Even small steps count. Progress builds confidence. Inner power teaches you patience. Good things take time. Waiting calmly is also strength. When you trust your inner power, comparison fades away. You focus on your own path. This brings freedom. Your inner power shines when you stay consistent. Daily effort creates real change. Consistency builds belief. Wake up your inner power by choosing hope. Hope lights the path ahead. It keeps you moving forward. Inner power helps you face challenges bravely. You stop running from problems. Facing them makes you stronger. When your inner power wakes up, your mindset changes. You see problems as lessons. Lessons create wisdom. Your inner power grows through self-discipline. You keep promises to yourself. This builds self-respect. Wake up your inner power by trusting your journey. Everyone grows at a different pace. Your pace is enough. Inner power makes you emotionally balanced. You understand your feelings better. Balance brings peace. When inner power is active, excuses disappear. Action becomes easier. Progress follows naturally. Your inner power lives in your habits. Simple routines shape strong minds. Habits build identity. Wake up your inner power by staying present. Worrying less frees your energy. Presence brings clarity. Inner power helps you stay positive longer. Negative thoughts pass faster. Positivity feels lighter. When you awaken inner power, you gain resilience. You recover faster from setbacks. Strength grows quietly. Your inner power supports long-term success. It prepares you for challenges. Preparation builds confidence. Wake up your inner power through learning. Knowledge increases belief. Belief fuels action. Inner power teaches responsibility. You own your choices. Ownership brings freedom. When inner power grows, motivation becomes internal. You push yourself with care. This motivation lasts. Your inner power helps you stay focused. Distractions lose control. Focus saves energy. Wake up your inner power by loving effort. Trying matters more than winning. Effort creates growth. Inner power makes you emotionally mature. You react less and think more. Maturity brings stability. When your inner power is awake, discipline feels natural. You act with purpose. Purpose gives direction. Your inner power grows through reflection. You learn from experience. Learning improves decisions. Wake up your inner power by choosing calmness. Calm minds perform better. Calm creates strength. Inner power helps you trust yourself. Doubt becomes smaller. Trust brings courage. When you awaken inner power, life feels meaningful. Every day has value. Meaning fuels happiness. Your inner power supports patience in struggle. You stay steady in difficulty. Steadiness builds endurance. Wake up your inner power through gratitude. Appreciating small things boosts mood. Gratitude grows joy. Inner power allows you to stay grounded. You stay connected to reality. Grounding reduces stress. When inner power is active, fear loses power. You act despite fear. Action builds bravery. Your inner power grows with self-awareness. You understand your thoughts. Awareness brings control. Wake up your inner power by staying hopeful. Hope strengthens effort. Effort creates results. Inner power improves emotional control. You respond wisely. Control brings peace. When inner power wakes up, confidence stabilizes. You feel secure inside. Security brings calm. Your inner power teaches consistency. You show up daily. Showing up creates success. Wake up your inner power by choosing discipline. Discipline shapes freedom. Freedom feels empowering. Inner power helps you accept change. Change becomes growth. Growth brings opportunity. When you awaken inner power, patience increases. You wait without anxiety. Peace grows inside. Your inner power is built through action. Thinking alone is not enough. Action creates belief. Wake up your inner power by believing in progress. Progress happens slowly. Slow growth lasts. Inner power supports emotional strength. You stay steady in emotions. Stability brings clarity. When inner power is alive, energy increases. You feel driven gently. Gentle drive lasts longer. Your inner power guides your direction. You move with purpose. Purpose gives confidence. Wake up your inner power by respecting yourself. Self-respect builds strength. Strength builds courage. Inner power helps you stay optimistic. You expect improvement. Expectation fuels effort. When you awaken inner power, focus improves. You concentrate on priorities. Priorities bring results. Your inner power grows through patience. Rushing weakens focus. Patience strengthens resolve. Wake up your inner power by trusting effort. Results will come. Trust keeps you calm. Inner power builds inner happiness. You feel content without reasons. Contentment feels peaceful. When inner power is awake, stress reduces. You manage pressure well. Control brings relief. Your inner power helps you stay resilient. You bounce back stronger. Resilience grows with time. Wake up your inner power through routine. Routine builds stability. Stability brings confidence. Inner power strengthens emotional intelligence. You understand others better. Understanding improves connection. When you awaken inner power, mindset shifts. You think positively. Positive thinking supports growth. Your inner power supports long-term goals. You stay committed. Commitment brings success. Wake up your inner power by choosing growth daily. Growth becomes a habit. Habits shape destiny. Inner power helps you stay calm under pressure. Calm decisions work better. Calm creates clarity. When inner power grows, self-doubt fades. Confidence replaces fear. Confidence feels freeing. Your inner power lives in perseverance. You continue despite difficulty. Persistence builds strength. Wake up your inner power by focusing inward. Inner strength matters most. Inner focus builds peace. Inner power creates emotional balance. You feel steady. Balance supports happiness. When you awaken inner power, life feels lighter. You handle challenges smoothly. Lightness brings joy. Your inner power grows with self-belief. Belief supports effort. Effort creates change. Wake up your inner power by staying disciplined. Discipline protects focus. Focus builds results. Inner power improves patience with others. You become understanding. Understanding strengthens relationships. When inner power wakes up, purpose becomes clear. Clear purpose guides action. Action brings fulfillment. Your inner power helps you grow daily. Growth becomes natural. Natural growth feels joyful. Wake up your inner power and trust yourself. You already have strength inside. Let it guide you forward.